referral link if you already have a sign up to bitsy.com. So actually it's like this. So my profile already have the bitsy.com referral link. And of course, just comment why you like the Bitsy referrals. So there you go, guys. So I hope that, oh, so before we start, yeah, a disclaimer first, guys. Trading and investing have risks, so please trade. We also have um, Tether Gold, so you can also buy some Tether back gold back cryptocurrency. So as you can see, gold is now trading at around 1704 and seems like it is forming it actually seems like a cup, an inverted cup, or a possible also a double bottom. So yeah, let's see. It's actually a three. Using the 3 hour time frame. So long term, I think I already discussed it in the previous sessions that I'm expecting gold to reach around 2.7, but that's a long term target. So yeah, let's just analyze based on what we are seeing right now. So possible support is actually around 1698. And of course, if if it breaks this level, next support is around 1683. So that's the key support that you should look at. Of course, resistance is to go back to around 1744. So that's the resistance. And if you look at the RSI, it's also going down and might probably retest the previous support, which is around 26. So this is based on a 3 hour time frame. Because yeah, actually I made a position. I opened some positions a while ago. So next is let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart, yeah, not yet closed, and we need 6 hours 55 minutes before it actually closed. So let's see how this daily. So actually, yeah, still the same as the same analysis as the 3 hours time frame. So support, first support we're looking at is around 1698, and the second support is if it breaks that 1698 is $1683. Of course, the resistance is around 1744. So now let me also refresh what I'm looking at over the long term, because actually I'm expecting here a cup. So here's the cup. So yeah, that's the cup, a possible cup. So let's just delete this. Just delete. We'll just delete this so that you can see the cup. So that's what I'm actually looking at. So what's the all-time high? It's actually 1920.80. It's actually 1932.75. Yeah, that's 1932.75. So possibly it will retest the all-time high, 1932.80. So that's the next target. I'm looking forward that I hope it will reach this within this year. 1932.80. Am I right? So let's just check. Oh, it's 1920.80. Oh, it's 1920.80. 1920. So that's the key resistance I'm looking at. Of course, it could possibly correct around this area, around 1763. So let's see. I think it's, yeah, it's actually resist around this area. So possibly upon breakout, it will retest already the all-time high of 1920.80. And of course, our long-term target is I'm expecting a actually after that is I'm expecting a possible pullback or correction before it move higher and reach our target. So let's just use this. So this is the possible target I'm looking at. So I hope it's fine. And we'll put it here. So that's actually around so that's actually around 27. So that's my long-term target for gold. So yeah, if you want to trade some gold, you can also sign up to my referral link, which is you will find in this video. Now let's move on to BTC. BTC USD. Just loading. So yeah, sorry about that. The internet is quite unstable. So there. So we'll use this. Actually, that was a surprise. Yesterday, or yeah, just a few hours ago, there's actually a dump. So it actually resists at this. Well, anyway, let me show you first the whole long-term chart of Bitcoin. So actually, here is the whole chart of Bitcoin. Actually, a symmetrical triangle, and currently now at resistance level. So now let's go to the daily candles, I mean the daily time frame. So if you look at it, it actually resists at around 10,241. So around 10,200. And it's almost, it's actually almost reach the support level, which is around, it went as low as 9.1, or the one we're looking at 9.2, around at around 991. Actually, it's 9135, so it's around 92 now. If you look at it, seems like we'll try to retest again this 10,200. So now you can see the you can see the candle seems like a small bullish candle. However, it's not yet closed. It's still 9 hours 47 minutes before the daily candle will close. So now before that, so maybe let's look at the lower time and possibly retest this 10,200. Actually, I bought at around, I think, 995, and it's now currently doing, yeah, around 9540, and my possible target is 10,200. However, I put a trail stop or stop loss at around 95. I bought it at around 95110, and it's quite doing good a while ago, and now back to 9540. But my stop loss here is 95. Actually, it's 88 first, and then I change it to 95, so that at least, or 9520, actually 9520. So if ever that's it will reverse, I still have few gains to realize. So now, yeah, I think that's it for BTC. It will I think it will try to retest again the 10,200, and possible support is around 9,000, around this level, or that's around, actually that's around 93, and of course worst case is around here, around 8,700, if ever it breaks this strong support area. And yeah, possible target if it reach or break the 10,200 is of course welcome to 11,000. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So I just want to repeat, the key resistance we're looking at is 10,200. If it breaks that level, welcome to 11,000. Support is at 9,300. Breaking that level will probably retest around 8,700. So there you go, guys. Anyway, let's also look at the RSI. So if ever, worst case, if it ever that it's actually went down to 4,000, I think I will accumulate from here. Yeah, if ever it went down to as low as 4,000. Anyway, that's actually a possible target also if it continues to break down. And of course, long term target is that 27,768, or around 28,000, around here. And now, wait, let's just go and look at the RSI. So if you look at the RSI, actually it seems like it already found the support here. So I think at this point, the probability of it going higher and retest the 10,200 is higher. However, yeah, always in trading, especially in futures, always put stop loss or trailing stop, and of course your take profit. You can actually have a TP1 or TP2 depending on your strategy. So on a daily note, seems like it's already found a support, I think. So possibly it will retest the RSI that is around 63. So let's see. So again, the support we're looking at is 9.3. If it break that level is welcome to 8,700. So support is at 9.3 and a possible 8,700. Resistance on the other hand is 10,200 and of course a possible welcome to 11,000. So there you go guys. Now let's move on to ETH. ETH USD. So if you have some questions, feel free to ask. And yeah, you can also join at Bitsy Philippines in our Telegram and Facebook if you want to know more about the Bitsy platform. Now it's this Ethereum. Actually, I tried to post as much as, yeah, we will try to make a daily analysis of the some cryptocurrencies, and if you want to add more, just feel free to ask. So I think it's also the same. Seems like it's already found the support. And if you look at the current candle, seems like it also forming a, what was this? A doji. So actually a doji is indecisive, so it can possibly go up or go down. So the key resistance we're looking at is 245, and if it break that level is 275. Support we're looking at for support is around 218. If it break that level at back to around $200. So now let's check on a daily. Actually, it seems like similar to BTC. See, it's already flat, so I think the investors are thinking if it will go up or it will go down further. But yeah, I think investors are or traders are seem pretty bullish, so it might probably retest the 71.89 RSI. So yeah, let's see. Anyway, let's just look at the 3-hour time frame so that we'll know a bit where the RSI is going or the trend is going. So actually if you look at it, it's already higher. It's already get the low is getting higher, so I think it's already stabilized, and yeah, larger possibility that it will retest the 245 level, and hopefully welcome to 275. On the RSI 3 hours, well, it actually go down, but it's pointing downwards actually, but still higher than the previous one here. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. So let's now go to the daily chart, and yeah, let's repeat the possible support and resistance we're looking at for ETH. Support 1 is around 218, and if it break that level is around $200. Resistance on the other hand is 245 and 274. So I think there's higher probability it will retest it first, or possibly around 287 and and then it will pull back. Uh, so let's see. Anyway, yeah, if you're also trading, don't forget also to put stop loss and take profit. So actually, I'm planning to go long to Ethereum. So let's check the possible risk reward. Actually, I already posted, but it's not yet done. So let's see. Okay. Actually, this 1.74 risk reward ratio and a possible target or return of 15.49 if you're using 10 times leverage. But if you're using 100 times leverage, that's actually 1,500. Or for Bitsy, it's actually 50 up to 50 times, so that's 750%. Possible stop out or loss is 8.92% if it's 1 times leverage. If you use the max, that's actually around 40%. So I think it's I'll just post later, but I think I will go long and possibly this will be my TP around 276. And of course, stop loss is the 218 level. So if you look at the chart of LTC, it's actually near the support level. Actually, I also posted long here, and this is my possible target around. Actually, I put around 58, but it could go as high as around $60, and my stop loss is around here. So possibly if my targets are done, so possible rewards or is 1,400, or if times 50 times using Bitsy platform, that's actually around 700%. So yeah, let's see. So the support we're looking at, as I mentioned, it's already at support level around 45. So if it break this level, so the next key support is around 42. Oh, yeah, actually that's already green or support. Possible resistance we're looking at is 48 to around $50. And of course, if it's $50, there you go. Welcome to around $60, which is actually my target. But yeah, it could also possibly lower. Actually, if you're trading futures, you can actually have TP1 and TP2 so that at least you'll get 50% profit and then another 50% profits. And of course, if you already have profit, don't forget to the stop loss or the trailing stop to change it. So, as traders, we need to be flexible. Next is the last one is XRP. Currently at Bitsy platform, you can trade yet, but hopefully it will be launched very soon. So yeah, let's wait for other updates. So if you look at, it's also seems like forming a small doji candle, but the daily time frame is not yet closed. So yeah, let's see how it closed. Anyway, the resistance we're looking at is at it's already at that level. So The resistance we're looking at is 0.21105 dollars. Support is at $0.20. If we break the support, the next key support we're looking at is $0.19. And of course, the best or the second resistance is at 0.22. So I think let's move on to the 3-hour chart so that we can see the shorter time frame how this goes. So actually if you look at it, it's actually trading or trending higher. So yeah, I think it will retest the 0.21 dollars, and probably breaking that level is welcome to 0.22 dollars. Of course, support we're looking at is at 0.20 to 0.19. So let's move back to the daily. Oh, let's check first the RSI. So the RSI using the 3-hour time frame is actually pointing down, but still higher than this support. Wait, let's look at the. It's still trending actually higher, but let's see if this will go up. The trend is, yeah, let's put some trend here, trend line. So that's actually still in an uptrend. So I think, yeah, almost all. I mean BTC, ETH, LTC, and XRP seems like, yeah, still go long. Yeah, in my opinion. So yeah, that's our key support and resistance we're looking at for XRP. So first support is around 0.21, second support around $0.22, and of course, I mean, first resistance we're looking at is 0.21, and then second resistance is around $0.22, and of course, support at around $0.20. Breaking that first support is $0.19. So RSI is still in an uptrend. So it might probably continue to retest the resistance area of 0.21 to 0.22. So there you go, guys. Now let's move on to the last, BTC dominance. So let's just check. So if you look at the BTC dominance, seems like it's consolidating, and I think it could probably go back to retest the 66.5 level, which is around this area. Actually, it should be red because it's a resistance already. So it became a resistance. Um the previous resistance, I mean the previous support now becomes the support. I mean the resistance level. I mean the previous support now becomes the resistance level. So at uy, seems like it's trying to go lower. So it means that if the dominance is getting lower, it means that the alts are getting higher. So at this point, seems like it's stabilizing. So let's see if it will retest the 66.5 level or will move to retest the support, which is around 65. So there you go, guys. If you have some comments, questions, and feedback, please feel free to reach out. And of course, yeah, in this video, you can find my referral link in Bitsy. So if you want to use Bitsy, you can sign up via my referral link. And also, don't forget to join us in Bitsy tomorrow, same time. What? Did I? Oh, I thought I'm streaming already, but seems not. Oh, so I already have a live stream already because I'm planning to end it already. So it should be ending now.